Hey, it's Chris from Skateboard Films 1, and this February was Feb break. Yeah, I'm all bunched up. This February break, we were going to Clearwater, I think. I'm not sure. Anna Marie Island, I don't know. In Florida, and it is so windy outside. Like, it's crazy, so I'm gonna record a little bit. Got my safety shades, so don't get pummeled. There's sand flying everywhere, and I hope it doesn't destroy my phone, so I'm just going to set my phone down and put my glasses on. So it's hard, though, because I have my sweatshirt all tied up. Okay, so here we are. Let's go outside. Good Dad, I'm gonna go outside and record the wind. Go outside and record the wind. You can hear it as well. Say what? Okay. It's pretty crazy outside here. I can barely even see because of my shades. Oh God. There's so much freaking sand in my eyes. Everything's just freaking. Oh God, that's a fuck. Oh shit. Holy damn. Oh, dude, it is like, it's crazy out here. I don't know if you can see. I don't even know if you can hear me, but the freaking palm trees, dude, they're blowing, man. They really are. It's pretty crazy. Oh, dude, it is so windy out. Yeah, and we're right next to the beach, so. Oh my God. So it's pretty nice, I guess. Except for the wind. And it's freaking cold too, man. I mean, it's gonna be cold for the next, next 2 days that we're here. So yeah. Oh my God. It's so. Oh, dude. Yeah, everything. Oh God. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm out of here. Bye.